वेंकटाद्रि समस्तानं ब्रह्मांडे नास्ति किंचन वेंकटेश समो देवो न भूतो न भविष्यति जय जय रमानाथ जय जय धरनाथ जय जय वराहपुरी श्री वेंकटेश जय जय रमानाथ जय जय धरनाथ जय जय वराहपुरी श्री वेंकटेश। Om Namo Venkatesaya. Namaskaram all. My name is Sridevi Josula. I am from Houston. I am a disciple of Saptagiri Sangeet Vidvanmani, Sangeet Natak Academy awardee, Sri Mallad Siribabu Garu. I would like to invite you all for my concert in SV Temple, Pittsburgh on December 27th, which is a Saturday at 3:30 p.m. This concert is going to be a part of Margali cultural events for the temple Swarna Mahotsavam. For this concert, on violin, Mukund Josila, on mridangam, Sri Ram Krishna Rekapalli will be accompanying me. Our heartfelt thanks to Sri SV Temple Cultural Committee and Management for giving us this blessed opportunity. All are welcome for this concert. Again, it's going to be at the SV Temple Auditorium on December 27th at 3:30 p.m. Thank you.